Hey guys, RTT back here from the video. Guys, January 7th, mark it on your calendars, it's 3 days away. That is going to be this Thursday that PS5 stock is coming back into stock. And I talked about this in a couple weeks ago where I said that there was like 10 million units PlayStation is pushing out to get to people, get to these retailers so you guys can actually buy them. I made a video on how to actually set up a bot that lets you get notified whenever a brand new unit comes out. Nope, not a notify me crap that they put on the websites. I'm talking about an actual bot that sets you up so that once it goes ahead and gets posted, anywhere it gets posted, you will automatically get a link sent to your phone, click on it, and buy the unit. So with that in mind, January 7th is the day. Now, this is for the UK. I'm pretty sure this is also for America too, but this article is talking about the United Kingdom. So we're happy in the United States, obviously, yes, but this is guaranteeing also United Kingdom too. With that in mind, though, I will leave a link down below to this article because it does have all the places where it will be posted, of course, with the United Kingdom. And if you do buy with the UK version of any of these stores, you can still go ahead and get it shipped to America. For example, when I bought my, I actually had to buy the same exact liquid cooling unit for my PC, which was a Kraken, what's called NZXT Kraken. I had to buy the UK version because the version I had no longer was shipped in America. Well, it wasn't available in America. So I had to get the UK Amazon version. And did it come 2 weeks later? Yeah, it didn't come the same day. But it was 2 weeks later, I got the exact price of what the MSRP was for that unit. So again, you might have to wait a little bit longer, but you'll get the unit and you'll get the unit at a correct price, $4.99 or $3.99, depending on what unit you want, digital or disc version. So I will leave the link down below. I'll also leave an icon in my hand corner telling you about that video. I recommend going and checking it out. It's probably your best way to find a PS5 because even when these get posted, they're going to sell out within like a couple minutes, if not seconds. So keep that in mind, guys. But hopefully, the good thing is a lot of people, they use United States versions of all these services. This is the UK versions of all these stores and locations. So hopefully that does give you a little bit better chance to get these units. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.